Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Yes, I'm fine. Welcome back. Shall we do one thing now? What were we doing in the last session? Yes, which is different, and before that, similar. Good. So now you all come to know which is same and which is different. Yes or no? I'm not hearing you. Yes or no? Yes. So today we will do something different. Yes. Yes. So the today's topic is cross out the odd ones. What is the topic? Cross. Cross means like this. Yes. Cross out the odd ones. Odd ones means what? All will be in same format. Only one thing will be different. So we have to cross that. Okay, I'll show you an example. See, in this we have 3 cones and 1 circle base. So which is cross? Which one we should cross here now? Yes, we should cross this one. Yes. Yes, so this cross. So these are same to same. Yes, this is the odd one out. So you have taken that. Yes, shall we take through more examples? Yes. What is there in my hand? 2 tablespoons and 1 fork. 2 tablespoons, 1 fork. So which is different? Odd one. This is odd one because these both are same, and this is the odd one. We have to cross this one. Yes. Good. And one more example. Yes. Yes. See, all will like this. What is this? 1 sketch pen, 1 pen, and again 1 more sketch pen. Correct? So, what we should do, which is the odd one here? Pen. This is the odd one. Right. Okay. These both are sketch pens. This is pen. So, this is the odd one. This we have to cross. This is the odd one. Correct. What is this in my hand? Clearly, can you see, children? Yes. 2 pencils, 1 marker pen. Yes. What is this? 2 pencils, 1 marker pen. Highlighter. You can mark it, you can highlight also. This is called a highlighter. Correct. 2 pencils, 1 marker pen. Which one we have to cross here? This pencil? This pencil? No? Then which one? Marker? No. What is this? Highlighter. Yes, we have to cross the highlighter. Okay, so these both are pencils. This is the highlighter, which is the odd one out. So we are crossing the highlighter and taking it back. Yes. Now you understood what is the meaning? Understand the meaning, children. Then we'll go for the lesson. Okay, so that it is easy for us. I know my children are growing up. Yes or no? So we have to learn new more things. Correct? Yes, correct. We will learn today. Okay, the today's topic is cross out the odd ones. See here, what are there in this thing slide? What are the letters? You study with me now. Come. N, N, U, N, N. So which is odd here? Odd one. What we have to do? Which is the odd one? U. U is the odd one. What we have to do? U. Cross the odd one. So which is the odd one here? U. Correct. Next thing we will go. Yes. And here, study with me. Please help me out, children. What letters are there? Yes. P, 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 D. Correct. Well, thank you, children. What is the odd one here? Which letter is which alphabet, the letter, or which one is odd one here? It might be anything. Here, the letter which is odd is D. Where is D? First one? Third? The last one. Correct. Last one. D is the odd one. This is what we should do. Circle, dot, cross. Correct. Next thing. U, N, U, U, U. So which one is different here? I don't see any difference. You are seeing any difference? Where? N, correct. N is the odd one out. He is the odd man now. Where is the odd man? N, second letter. Yes, N is the odd man. Cross, correct. Next thing. A, O, A. Yes. So who is the odd one? Odd man? Oh, yes. Cross. Oh, good. So now you understood what is cross, which is odd one. Yes, children. Good. Who is the odd one here? I forgot. Who is that? Oh, correct. Good. Next thing. L, T. Who is the odd man? T. Where is T? Third one? Fourth one? No. Last one? Oh, very good. Superb. Last one. T is the odd man out. So we have to mark T, which is odd one. Good. I hope you all understood the meaning. You know how to do now. Correct? Shall we play one more thing? Yes. You're all ready, children? Yeah, even I'm ready. Start. Yes. See here. Here 7. T 7 7 7. Which is the odd one? Who is the odd man here? T. Yes. T is the odd man here because all 7 are numbers. T is the alphabet. Wow, great. Clap your hands, children. Very good. So which one we should mark here? T. All 7 are numbers. The numbers and T is an alphabet. So we should mark T. Odd one, odd man. Yes, good. See, one more thing for you. Tell me the numbers with me. I don't know, children. Now you are going to help me out. Yes? Yes. Tell the numbers. 4, 4, 4, 4, 3. Which number is odd one here? All are numbers here, na? Which one is odd? 3 is the odd man because all are 4 and only 3 is different number. So 3 is odd one. He is looking very different, na? All 4 are looking same. 3 is looking very different. So third is the odd man out. What is the next thing? 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. Yes. So who is the odd man here? 4. What we should do him? We will help him in marking cross, which is he is an odd man out. 4 is the odd one because all are 2. Only 4 is odd. Yes. Next thing. But these numbers look same, na? Yes, this is the twist, children. Few numbers look alike. But we have to carefully see. Now see in this line. 6, 9, 6, 6, 6. See, by grasp of seeing, it is resembling as all are same number, na? No, dear. Yes, the second number is different. This is very odd one. Yes, looks like same, but number is different. Correct. So, second number, which is 9, is the odd man out. What we should do him? We should give an X. This is called cross. And give him as he is an odd man out. We are helping them to find who is an odd man in that play. Yes? Good. What is the next slide? 15, 15, 15, 15, 51. Who is the odd man here? Who is going to tell first to me? Wow, good. Clap your hands. Superb. 51 is the odd man. So we should cross 51. Exactly. So smart. I know you, my children are very smart. Because we are growing day by day, na? We have to learn new things, na? We started learning. Very good. Keep it up, children. And shall we proceed? Yes, with the next thing. See, this is the page we are going to do. I know, children, this page is very small, looking very small, no? So what we can do? We will do one thing. We will do bit half by half. Yes? Okay. Now, yes, what is this? Heading, cross out the odd ones. Yes, what is there here in our N line? N, U, N, N. Yes, so which one we will cross? U. Cross means what? Like this. Yes, got it? Okay, what is the next line? P line. P, in this P line, first letter is P, 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 D. So which one we will cross here? Good, very good. Cross. So third line, U line. What is there? N, U, U, U. So which one we will cross here? Yes, where it is? N. Good. Cross. What is the next line? A line. A, O, A. So which one we will cross now? O. Cross. O. Good. What is the next line? L line. What is there in the L line? L, T. So which one we will cross now? Yes? Sure? Yes. Even I am ready. Good. So, this you understood now? Got it? You can try in home also like this. Shall we play one more page like this? Yes, the second half. I told you na? Second half shall we do like this? Yes? Yes, children. Come. Yes, here we go with the second half. Yes, cross out the odd ones. See here in this first line, 7 is the number first given, correct? So shall we make it as 7 line? Yes, yes. In this 7 line, yes, 1, 7, 7, 7. So which one we will cross? Which is the odd one out here in this first line? 1. Cross 1. He is the odd man. Correct. What is there in fourth line? Second line, which have the number 4. Yes. 4. Second line. Yes. 4, 4, 4, 3. So we will cross 4. No, which one? 3. Correct. The last number 3. Good. What is the next line here? See carefully, children, because numbers are there, so we may miscollage also. Okay. So please be careful in what we are doing. Okay. Yes. Come. Proceed. Third line. 2, 2, 2, 4. So all are same with 2. Which one we will cross here? 4. Cross 4. What is next line? 6, 9, 6, 6. So which one I will cross here? Odd one? Who is the odd man here? 9. What is the last line? I know you are happy. Good, good. 15, 15, 15, 51. So who is the odd man here? 51. We will cross 51. Got it? So this is the odd one we are crossing. Okay? Understood, children? Yes? Yes. Now you understood what is the meaning? Okay? Good. So this is the single page. We did half. Okay? Now you understood? Yes? Yes, doing all your homeworks? But I'm not saying all are doing your homeworks. Why, children? See, at least for some time study. Okay? It is good for you. Okay, children? Yes? See you. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you soon. Take care. Bye.